Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to block someone on Moj App. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Moj is an Indian video sharing social networking service owned by Bangalore-based Mahala Tech Private Limited. It features special effects, emoticons, stickers and short videos that have a duration of 15 seconds to 1 minute under genres like dance, travel, singing, acting, comedy, and education. In order to block someone on Moj App, you first need to open the app and click on profile icon of a person whose account you want to block. Now click on 3 dots at the top right corner. Click on block. It will again ask your permission to block that person. Click on block. Now as you can see, this person is blocked. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.